Have you ever been doing manual work in Excel and thought to yourself, there has to be a better way to do this? It can be painful and time consuming. In this video, I'll show you how to use VLookup to get the data you need in seconds. Stick around to the end and I'll share a bonus trick that makes VLookup even easier. So how does VLookup work? On a basic level, it works by getting information you need from somewhere else and bringing it back. So this is an example of how VLookup works. Imagine you're on holiday in a warm country. You're feeling hot, so you need something to cool you down. As you look across the road, you see an Italian dessert shop called Tamarino. On the menu, they've got delicious ice cream, sundaes, and milkshakes, but the prices aren't displayed. You ask for the price of mango sorbet. The cashier looks in the system, finds mango sorbet, finds the price, and then tells you the price. That's exactly how VLookup works. It finds information you need from a separate place and brings it back to you. Alright, let's dive in. So welcome to Tamarino, exceptional Italian gelato. As you can see, lots of menu choices. You've got tiramisu, we've got strawberry sorbet, we've got espresso frap, so lots of choices. A mango milkshake would be a go-to for me. But yeah, back to the example. So if we look at the mango sorbet from our example, so if we were to order the mango sorbet, so we'll type equals VLookup. We'll get the lookup value. So lookup value will be mango sorbet. So that's what we're looking for. Then table array. So the table array is the table that we're pulling the value from. So we're going to look at mango sorbet. It's going to match that. It's going to look in this table to match mango sorbet. And then when it matches mango sorbet, it's then going to pull back the corresponding price. So the price is in column 2. So mango sorbet is here, column 1, and then this is column 2. So just put 2. Then the next one is either true or false. 99.9% of the time we use exact match. So that means we want something exact, like a precise value to come back. So in this case, we want a precise value, which is mango sorbet, to come back. So we'd either type 0 or false. So 0 or false works. So most of the time I just type in 0, press enter, 2.99. So if we look at mango sorbet, 2.99. So perfect, that works. So if we copy that one down, oh, what's happened here? So we've got an error that's coming up. And why is the error coming up? It's coming up because of our range that we did here. So the range that we did here, as we move down the table, it also moves down. So if we look at this one, you can see that that's moved down. So this shows the range. So that range moves down as you want. So we don't want it to move down. We want that range to stay fixed. So to do that, what we do is we go into the formula and then we press F4, and that will add these dollar signs. What the dollar signs do is that it fixes the column and the rows in position. So dollar sign before B fixes column B, so it's not going to move from column B. And for this one, it's fixing the row to 6, and it does that for C16 as well. So then we press enter, and if we copy that formula down, now that works. So if we look at tiramisu sorbet, so that's 2.99. Look at espresso frap, that's 9.49. So perfect. So that's working well. So that's VLookup, very quick and simple. The other way to go to VLookup instead of adding this formula is to press FX. So if we type equals VLookup and we open bracket and then we type in FX, what that does is that we can go into the lookup value here and we can type it in. So for here, mango sorbet, for hey table array is here, column index is 2, range lookup, this time we can say false. False or 0 works. What you will notice here is that it actually gives you like a description. So if you're struggling to remember what it was, it also gives you a description of what it is. So logical value to find the closest match in the first column, true omitted, find an exact match equals false. So it gives you a little description. So it does that for each of them. So that's also something as well that you can do to, if you forget. So press OK. Oh yeah, of course, you need to add in the F4 and then we copy that down. So what I'm going to do is show you that bonus VLookup trick that makes VLookup even easier. So what you do is, so if I get rid of this, get rid of the name. So what we can do is we can copy this down onto a new sheet, which is the names of the desserts. Then we go into name, and then we click lists. So what we do is we go to data validation. So data, and then we go over to data tools, and then there's this symbol here, which is called data validation. So if we click that, and then the other way to get there is to, on the top where it says search, you type in data validation or data, and then validation comes up. That's the other way to get there. Click on the drop down menu, go down to lists. In the source, we go into that list that we created here. You press OK. So what that does is it turns the list of items that you have into a nice drop down menu. So you can click any of the desserts that you like. So let's say you want to order, let's see, what are we feeling? Caramel vanilla sundae. That will tell you the price. So the price is $13.99. So let's just double check that. Caramel sundae, $13.99. You can go to the next. You can go to the next one. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm looking to get a chocolate and banana split sundae, $14.50. So you can see it's coming through. So that's just a nice quick way to turn that VLookup. And what it does is the VLookup, because it's referring to G6, which is here, and you're going through the different names, every time you come up with a different name, it updates automatically. Remember when you were taking ages to manually look for data? Now with VLookup and drop-down lists, you can find the right information in seconds. Try this out in your next spreadsheet and let me know how much time it saves you.